Hi, my name is Robert Schultz, and this is Biology and Ecology of Aquatic Systems, also known as BEAS. The course focuses on the water quality and history of the Brandywine River. All of our material is housed in Schoology. However, the official grade is housed in Infinite Campus. Each week, I will present an agenda to the students. All of our course information is available in the headquarters. My contact information is here along with our course syllabus, our safety contract, and our lab safety video, along with our retake policy and all of the other policies associated with the course. All of our course materials are organized by marking period. As we finish with a weekly agenda, I place that in the marking period, as well as completed assignments. Right now we are in the water quality portion, and we are getting ready for our canoe trips the next week. Please feel free to contact me if you have any further information. All of this can be found in your students' Schoology page. Thank you very much.